For today's story, we take you on some ferry rides, we hike Mount Gardner, we hit the beach, and we celebrate the day. Hello, we're gonna do this. The first ferry takes us from Lynndie to Horseshoe Bay. It's a 40-minute sailing. From Horseshoe Bay, we walk over towards the next ferry that will take us to Bowen Island.
There should be a red light on that thing so that we can tell.
It's a 20-minute sailing to Snug Cove on Bowen Island. There's Mount Gardner. It's higher than it looks like through this camera lens. Mount Gardner is 2,400 feet. So we took the 8:40 Langdale ferry, and then we took the 10:15 Bowen. What time is it now? You were like,
Almost 10:40.
we just went through this. Beautiful day, we're having a good time, chatting away, and it rained yesterday, so it's going to be nice, clear, beautiful views out there. All the air is going to be cleaned out. Killarney Lake. 25 to 12 at the trailhead.
It took us about an hour to get here because we were ambling about taking pictures of slugs.
Yeah. Hikers Road to Skid Trail, Mount Gardner Trail, Killarney Lake. I'm hiking, I'm outside. It's a beautiful day. Wow! That's Vancouver in the distance. Yay! I didn't expect a viewpoint already like this. This is nice. So we just went to the viewpoint there, but then I guess we're going this way for the trail. Donna teased me with a viewpoint, but we're going this way. Some more road. Here's an arrow. At that last lookout, we could have continued onto a path from there, but we wanted to try this route instead.
All right, here we go.
Oh, this!
This is the trail.
Oh, there's a sign up there. Okay.
And that's why all these logs are here.
So that's like another arrow.
I was wondering, but I
keep
wasn't
going.
smart enough. I would have walked right past. Finally, we're off the fire road and on a nice path. Oh, we're gonna get to the viewpoint. Sandwich time soon. Oh, I'm excited. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at that. Hey home. This is looking northwest to First Keats Island, and then the Sunshine Coast on the mainland. Gibson's is on the left, and the higher point is Mount Elphinstone. Paul, thanks so much for that sandwich. That was so good. Hey, the mustard was a good idea, so gotta remember that. I ate half, and then I'm gonna have the other half at the top. Nearing the top! Woohoo! Poor Lynndie. She's putting up with the camera. Oh, we're here. Wow! What a view! This is crazy. I didn't realize you'd get this view. This is looking northwest to Gibson's, Langdale, Port Mellon, and Howe Sound. Now across, we head to the southeast views and see the North Shore Mountains and Vancouver. Awesome views! It looks so far through this GoPro lens. Here's a closer look. This is a great spot for a lunch break before we head back down. Look at this mossy rock. Our way down was a nice path with a few intersecting trail options. There's signage along the way, but it's still easy enough to get lost, and people do. Lynndie and I are trusting Donna on this trek. She's more experienced and has done Mount Gardner a few times. We had another viewpoint west to the Paisley Island and its neighboring islands. What's your review so far, Donna?
Beautiful.
Bowen Bay is our destination now. We're a little tired and ready for the beach. Oh yes, nice. A lovely little beach.
Oh, wow.
Bowen Bay.
Oh, I wish I could hear.
Calming and refreshing, and a good place for a snack as we await the bus back to Snug Cove.
Not bad. Should have brought our swimsuit.
Well, let's do it. We always have swimsuits, Donna. We always are wearing our swimsuit.
Yeah, not today.
Well, the water was nice on our feet. Bus ride!
Okay, there we are. We've walked along here past the lagoon, through these roads, through the park, past Killarney Lake, up here to the trailhead. And we went up here, up this road, all this way while Val was complaining. We came up the back of the North Summit. And then we went all the way down here, down Amelia and Malcolm Crescent to Bowen Bay. Awesome beach. And then we cut the bus that somehow got us back here. I'm not sure how, we seem to go in circles.
Thank you. Bye-bye, Bowen Island. It took us just under 3 hours to get to the North Summit, but we did stop lots along the way. Coming down, it took us about an hour and a half to reach Bowen Bay. Back to Horseshoe Bay we go.
It's a beautiful time to be alive. The world is yours with the lights on mine. It ain't over yet, so don't hedge your bets. I'm gonna break through. It's
heading home. I hope you enjoyed today's adventure with us. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
You can record this.
Press record this time.
I'm recording now. We're
Sure.
going hiking. It's really early.
It's really early.
Now you know the rest of the story.